Hi guys, so today we're going to see what's inside this box from Wildleaf, and I have the whole face care set, and this is what you will see. All right, from the inside you'll see a card, share your results. That's what it says in there. It also comes with 3 trials packets, and this is how to use Wildleaf. You'll see in here instructions how to prepare or use the products, as well as the frequency. And you also get a canvas pouch, and I think this is only included in the whole face care set, because I think this is not included in any other sets. Alright, so this is what you will get, the actual products from Wildleaf, and I'll let you see what's inside of it. Okay, so this is a witch hazel rosy toner, an aloe herb face wash, and both of these have 100 mils. Alright. Next, we have the vitamin C serum and the hibiscus face cream. So both of these have 30 ml. And by the way, these are in dark glass bottles. Okay, another one. It's the herbal facial oil and the Choco Dual Active, also in 30 mils. And these tiny ones are the Super Spot treatment and the Infinity Eye Oil, and both of these have 10 mils. Lastly, the Healing Clay Mask, and it says it's 100% calcium bentonite clay. And this is in 100 grams. Alright, so there you have it, guys. So this is what you will get. So of course, this is the complete set from Wildleaf. So there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 products, and let's see. I'm going to review each of these products on my separate video, so please watch out for it. Alright, so that's it for now. That's just a quick unboxing of my new purchase from Wildleaf. Thank you for watching, guys. See you.